Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is my sister Richika and today we are going to play a game called
Who's more likely to? We're gonna ask a bunch of questions, and the person who's more likely to do any of those stuff will be hit by a pillow.
Okay, it looks like a exciting game but let's see.
Okay, so first question is, who's more likely to start a fight?
That's her. All the time.
No.
All the time.
I'd say it's her. I'd say it's you. Okay. Kill the other person for insulting your sister. I will.
I will too.
No, but it's me. It has to be me.
नहीं बहन.
But
तुझसे नहीं
then
हो
you have to
पाएगा.
hit yourself now.
अच्छा.
So if you're more likely
अच्छा,
to do
oh.
that stuff, you have to hit yourself.
ठीक है. That's
Okay.
me then. That's me. I can 100% kill that person.
You cannot. You can kill me, not the other person.
I will not kill you. I will kill the other person for that. For doing the wrong
Well,
thing.
I don't trust her, but we'll see. More likely to get murdered by a serial killer. It has to be me. It has to be me.
100% भाई इसके पास सारे नॉवेल्स घटिया नॉवेल्स ये पढ़ती है घटिया सीरीज ही देखती है गंदे गाने ये सुनती है गंदे साने
नहीं
साने गाने
but I think it's the people around me.
people around you are so cool it's just you
But I don't. I think there's something in me that just attracts sociopaths.
yeah
But
because you are psyche
what is that? Who's a psyche?
psychopath
At least I have a path.
does it even
Okay,
make
next
sense?
questions. It doesn't, but who cares? I'm the furry one. Okay, who's more likely to go on a solo trip without informing anyone?
that's her
Just hit me.
भाई अकेले
slow.
जाके किसको मजा आता है मतलब हाँ मैंने भी वीडियोस रील्स वगैरह देखी थी और मेरा भी मन करता था मतलब ऐसा लगता हाँ भाई मैं
I
भी
have
अकेले
done
जाऊंगी।
that for the record. Like I did go on a solo trip,
तेरे फ्रेंड्स थे उसमें
but I traveled alone.
सोलो ट्रिप तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना
But I'm tend to go on a solo
सुन
trip.
लो मामा जी
He allowed it. Cry during a movie.
दैट्स बोथ
Just hit a little slow. Who's more likely to talk to themselves?
ये पागल अपने आप से बात करने वाली मैं तो नहीं कर सकती
I like to be in company of an intelligent person.
हाँ दैट्स नॉट यू फॉर श्योर
That's why I talk to myself. But you wouldn't know. I don't talk to her that often. As one might think. Okay, so next question is lie to protect the other person. It has to be me for sure.
बहन प्लीज तुझसे नहीं
भाई
हो पाता
नहीं.
तुझसे
I
नहीं
can't
हो
lie, but I will try my best to protect you.
भाई मुझसे भी झूठ नहीं बोला जाता है मतलब ये बोल कि आई कांट फ्लाई ऐसे मत बोल तुझसे भी
But
नहीं
no, you can lie. You can lie to protect me, will you not? But
मतलब
she has told on me in the past, so I don't trust you enough to not, let my secrets out.
you trust me you still share things with me
That's how you manipulate people.
you manipulate me
I try to, but I can't because you're just that. She what's the word for the person that cannot be manipulated? Smart?
bro ask my husband उसको लगता है कि हर कोई मुझे मैनिपुलेट कर लेता है
Because he does that too. You might have to edit this one out. But anyway, let's move on. Who's more likely to shoplift? I don't think any of us can do
हाथ
that.
कांप जाते हम तो सोच में ही नहीं
I have. In my childhood, I have. But मैंने से वो टॉफियाँ चुराई थी. और वो भी पूरा प्लान बना के because
शुरुआत में टॉफियां ही चुराता है मेरे चेक मेरे पैसे कम लग रहे थे मुझे
नहीं मैंने कपड़े चुराए हैं but I can't steal. Like I can't steal money for sure. But I have like stolen in past. Just
you can steal gold that's the thing
why would I steal gold?
you can steal toffee you can steal my gold also
Well, what can I say?
she can't
I can't really.
बचपन में भी मुझे याद नहीं है इसने कब किया
But
झूठी
I
बोली।
नहीं actually I can but I would tell you immigrate.
नहीं कर सकती, चल बोल।
More likely to end up getting kidnapped. It has to be me for sure.
ये इतनी हरकतें करती है ना, मतलब इस भाई लेक
That was brutal.
and it's okay.
It's not okay. You should
It's
all
not
know
okay.
that
You can't be this and this in the whole
you
video.
just messed up my hairs. Which one messed
Can't
up?
you be little normal here?
Well, what can I say? I'm just really cool.
Like this always. तो इसके बाद की वीडियो मैं लगा दूंगी इसके इधर ना साइड में, वो तो मुझे आता है, पुरानी वाली वीडियोस मैंने देखी है।
Moving on to another question. Who's more savage?
Me.
No way. I am more savage.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, you are not.
I am.
She is.
Oh, damn it. Okay, so next question is, who is more likely to say I love you first?
She used to tell me that she loves me every time, but उसके बाद मैंने ज़्यादा इग्नोर कर दिया, तो इसके बदले चल रहे हैं। अब मैं इसको I love you बोलती हूँ तो ये मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं करती और बोलती
No, actually I did reply. I just said that you won't hear those words from me ever again.
yeah.
Which is so intimate. So there's something so good about not talking to people like ever again.
That's intimate to you?
That is kind of intimate and a close personal thing.
एक-
But you won't
एक-
understand that.
तुम एक तुम्हारे ग्रुप में भी एक पक्का एक ऐसी लड़की होगी जो नॉवेल्स पढ़ती होगी,
जो वैम्पायर्स के लिए वेट करती होगी.
जिसको लगता है उसका राजकुमार आ जाएगा,
Not राजकुमार, वैम्पायर,
जिसकी बातें थोड़ी दुनिया से
अलग
अलग
होगी है.
That's her.
So who's more likely to be misunderstood? I think it has to be her, है ना?
I am always misunderstood. I am always misunderstood.
Yeah, and I think maybe is the work going you?
I think yes.
I don't know if that's like, do they have this kind of a trait?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, but I think she just comes across as very mean.
Me.
But she's not that mean, and I'm not getting paid for any of this.
Bro, you
but
just
she
you
has
just
good
called-
intentions,
Wait,
and
wait. You just called me mean, and you're telling people that you're not
you
getting
might
paid
come
for it.
across that. No, I'm not saying. I am saying that I'm not getting paid for
I
saying
am
that
not.
you are a
I
good
am now mean after so many years of betrayal. I am mean now, but I was not at.
and
that
we're
point of
not
time.
going to put that one out.
I will.
No, I will ask that.
Okay,
question
guys,
again.
this is never-ending fights. These are never-ending fights. So, thank you so much for watching us. And अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो हम ऐसी और वीडियोस बनाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी हम थोड़ा न्यू है हमारे लिए, तो अभी ज़्यादा हम इतना ही कुछ कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं हम लोगों को क्या पसंद आता है, उस हिसाब से we're gonna improve. And thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.